Hello, my name's Donald Supinger, and I'd like to take a moment and talk to you about Pete Hendrickson and his book, Cracking the Code, The Fascinating Truth About Taxation in America. As you can see, mine's pretty banged up. It's been read a lot. I first became interested in the subjects of the income tax, taxes in general, probably about 12 years ago. I was working for a company, and I was working at the time about, I would say, 11 to 12 hours a day, 7 days a week. And I remember the specific day that I was supposed to receive my paycheck, and I remember thinking to myself, this one's going to be a nice one. This one's going to be quite a bit more than my last paycheck, because I had worked quite a few hours more for this paycheck than I did for the last one. And so I was pretty excited, to be honest. And I remember when I opened it, my feelings of excitement quickly turned to rage as I saw that I made less, or I was taking home less this paycheck than I did my previous paycheck, and I had worked more hours for this paycheck. And so that's what really sparked my interest to start researching it more. Fast forward about 7 years, I was listening to a podcast, and the host of the podcast suggested that if a person were interested in the subject of the income tax, to go to losthorizons.com, which I did. And I made the mistake of going to losthorizons.com at about 9 p.m. on a work night. And so I spent about the next 5 hours reading on Pete's site, and I didn't get to bed till probably around 2 a.m. And so I got about 3 hours of terrible sleep, because I lost sleep for the next few nights after reading his site, and after finding out the truth about the way things are ran regarding the income tax in this country. And so I eventually bought the book, and I've read it no less than 6 times. I've received numerous victories myself. My wife has also received numerous victories, state and federal, full refunds of everything paid in. So yeah, I really suggest that if you're interested in the subject of the income tax, in the truth about the income tax, you buy Pete's book and read it over and over and over again. And once you believe that you understand it 100%, read it another 2 times, minimum. And I suggest reading it at least every few months after that. That's what I do. It's a very good read. It's excellent, and you will be very, very happy that you did. Thank you very much for your time.